to this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make one, but then multiply them when it comes time to make it. This is 3 easy steps. The best way for me to give you an example is with my return address label that I designed and created myself. I do have a video for this tutorial as well if you want to go watch that after this. How you multiply at the end, because obviously with a return address label for Christmas cards, I'm going to need more than one, probably about 60 or more. So what you do is you just worry about creating the one in the design space, adding your first name, last name, and your address. Once you are happy with your project, whether it be this address return label or any other project you are working on, you come over to the right top corner and hit Make It. Once it has loaded, you're going to see what the Cricut has decided on how to print and cut it, but we need more than one. Usually for return address labels, I would put 60, but to make it update faster, I'm going to do 10 just to show you what happens when you come over to Project Copies and change the number from 1 to however many you need. After you put in the amount you need, which we're going to say is 10 right now, you hit Apply. Let the Cricut do its updating, and as soon as it's updated, it will have a new plan of the amount you desire to have print and cut. I really hope this tutorial helped you learn how you can multiply your project in just 3 easy steps. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching. Bye!